Hello and welcome to today's tiny bird tutorial. I'm starting with a magic ring, chain 2 and 4 double crochet into this ring. Chain 5, in the first chain a half double crochet, in the next chain a single crochet, next single crochet, next a slip stitch, and a slip stitch right here into the last 2 double crochet, then 3 double crochet into the ring, chain 3, in the first chain a double crochet, in the next chain double crochet, and in the same stitch another double crochet. And a slip stitch right into this last double crochet, next 2 double crochet into the ring, and a slip stitch in this ring. Now you can close the ring with a slip stitch in the first stitch. Pull it tight, and then you can make a knot with the yarn ends. Okay, now I switch to a different color for the beak. And then I just hold my end and pull it through one of these stitches. Place a stitch and then go into the same stitch and do another slip stitch again. So into the stitch and a slip stitch, and then I chain one, and that's my beak. Then I do the same with the ends. I just make a knot. And my last step is an eye. So you can use a button, a tiny button, or a bead. In my case, I use a bead. And then you would glue this on, and then your bird is finished. I placed the beak a bit high, so now it's looking up. But if I place it more in the middle, then it would be like this bird. And finished is the tiny bird. If you like this tutorial, give it a like or subscribe, and I hope I see you next time on the hook. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.